Welcome to the 21st century, the age of innovation, information, and connection. For today's video, as you can see, technology shapes us how we learn, live, and communicate. From smartphones, social media, ICT, and multimedia becomes essential tools in business, education, and daily life. But first of all, what is ICT and multimedia? Multimedia is the combination of text,
wala kaming pakialam!
video, audio. Imagine me falling in love. Image. Ay, nakulong. Gusto yun. And animation na halo budget. Meanwhile, ICT or Information and Communication Technology includes all digital tools and systems that help us store, process, and communicate data. In schools, ICT and multimedia make learning more interactive and engaging. Students can explore virtual lessons, watch educational videos, and even collaborate online. In society, ICT connects people globally, from sharing ideas to running business and creative digital art. As we continue to grow in the digital age, being an ICT literate is more important than ever. It helps us to become critical thinkers, creative, and responsible digital citizens ready for the future. Multimedia and ICT empower us to learn, connect, and inspire change. Let us use technology wisely to make and build a smarter move to connect world.